Everybody go down. Everybody go down. We are dying of cold. We've been here for 3 days. We died of cold. This is unfair. This is unfair.
White point gun and foreigner.
White point gun and gun. White point gun and gun.
You have to find a Russian.
Please, go on live on Instagram. We don't have arms. We don't have arms. We don't have guns. We are students. We are students. What the fuck is happening?
What? We don't want.
We don't have arms.
We got nothing.
We don't have arms. We have nothing. We are students. 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 We are students.
You don't understand what you're not black and you do not solve.
Dude, they can't shoot us.